Hey there, smoothie lovers! Looking to lose weight while enjoying delicious, refreshing drinks? You're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 5 amazing smoothie recipes that are packed with nutrients, low in calories, and perfect for weight loss. Let's get blending. 1. Green Detox Smoothie. This one is loaded with fiber and antioxidants. It keeps you full and boosts digestion. 2. Berry Blast Smoothie. Berries are packed with antioxidants and low in calories. Perfect for a healthy snack. 3. Tropical Fat Burner Smoothie. This tropical delight is hydrating, metabolism boosting, and absolutely delicious. 4. Protein Power Smoothie, packed with protein. This one is perfect for post-workout recovery and keeps you full longer. 5. Chocolate Avocado Smoothie, craving chocolate? This creamy, healthy smoothie satisfies your sweet tooth guilt-free. And there you have it. 5 easy, delicious smoothies to help you lose weight while staying energized. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more healthy recipes. See you next time.